Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here to share the February card kit with you. The card kit comes out every other month and it will include cardstock, card bases and envelopes, patterned paper and embellishments, everything that you need to create cards. So this month it's all about the birthday girl. And this collection also has lots of blue in it, so there are plenty of icons and things that you can make boy birthday cards as well. So let's dig right in and see everything that you're going to get this month in the card kit. To start with, you're going to receive 6 pre-scored card bases and 6 envelopes. This will get you started on making your cards, but you get plenty of paper to do so much more. So we also include 8.5 by 11 cardstock. So you're going to get 1 sheet of flamingo and 2 sheets of white and a sheet of ocean breeze. So this will match the colors in the Echo Park Birthday Boy collection perfectly. So you can use these for more card bases or decorate the fronts. Lots of ways that you can use the cardstock. Next, you're going to receive half a pack of the Birthday Girl 6x6 pattern paper pad. So this is double-sided paper, so you're going to get lots of options. Like I said, there's plenty of blue like this here. You definitely can go for something other than a girl. We have this paper here that has a large banner piece that you could use across the front of the card, some 3x4s, and then little smaller pieces. The back of that is a pink and white gingham. We have this paper with the birthday cakes on the blue. The back of it is a multicolored grid design. We have this paper. I love this. It has all the icons, the little panda bear with his birthday hat and balloons, presents, the banner that says happy birthday, cupcakes. The back of it is a two-toned blue diagonal stripe. Then we have this one that has the cut-aparts. These are 3x3 cut-aparts. So you could use these on the fronts of the cards or use the back, which is a rainbow print. This paper is the elephants with a little bird on the bottom. Banners, cakes, turtles, so cute. The back of it is a slice of birthday cake. This paper is really heavy. We have balloons in all the different colors. The back is a pink print with little circle design. Then we have the banners that say eat cake, celebrate, make a wish, happy birthday. The back of that is a green with white polka dot. Then we have another paper that's like that first one with the strip up here that could be a banner across the front, the small ones, and then some 3x4 cut-aparts. The back of that is sprinkles, and then we have balloons in the multicolored, orange star print, birthday candles. Again, you can see how well this would work with boys as well. Another one that has confetti, and then another sheet of the 3x3 cut-aparts. The back is different shapes of hearts in the different colors. Then we have birthday packages, and the back of it is a blue design. So lots of options with icons and patterns down to the tone-on-tone colors or the more simple patterns. So lots of variety there to make your cards. Then for your embellishments, we are loading you up this month. So the big embellishment is our 12x12 sticker sheet. So you're going to get some long banner strips or border strips. This is a scalloped balloon border, a green gingham check, and then one that is scalloped on both sides with the blue. Lots of icons, lots of words that you can use for your greetings. Just super cute. Again, that little panda that we saw, love the little fox. We have a unicorn and that elephant with its bird. Super cute. Then you're also going to receive 3 tags. So these are going to vary. I have 2 little ones and a larger one. You're also going to receive a die this month. This is the cute little bow that you could use for embellishment. So you could cut that out of your cardstock or your patterned paper to add little dimensional embellishments. You're also going to receive a roll of twine. So I received the yellow and white, but these colors may vary in your kit. And then also 2 rows of dots, and these are super shiny and cute. They're yellow and pink, but the colors on those may vary as well among the kits. So that is a look at February's card kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available as well as individual items in the store, and then join us on the Facebook group and the blog for all kinds of inspiration from the design team and your fellow subscribers. So we want to thank you so much for watching and subscribing, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kit.